Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic login on your Mac so you can skip the lock screen every time you boot up. It's a huge time saver. However, keep in mind this does lower your security, so I only recommend doing this if your Mac stays at home and you're not too worried about unauthorized access. First, let's open up System Settings. We actually need to disable File Vault first, so go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see File Vault is currently set to on. Click that to turn it off. Go ahead and enter your Mac password to confirm, then click Turn Off Encryption. Alright, now that File Vault is disabled. Next, let's head over to the Users and Groups settings. Look for the option that says Automatically Log In As. By default, this is set to off, but since we just disabled File Vault, we can now change it. Click there and select the account you want to auto-log in. I'm going to select the ETS account right here. Then enter your Mac password again. Now in the password field, just type in that user's password one more time to confirm. Then click OK. And there you go. From now on, whenever you shut down and restart your computer, your Mac will automatically log you into the account you just set up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.